Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Imagine living in a mega mansion, huge windows, shiny floors, maybe even a bowling alley. Sounds like a dream, right? Parties, endless space, and everything picture perfect. But have you ever wondered who keeps these places spotless? It's not magic. Maintaining a mega mansion is a massive job. Dozens of rooms, special surfaces, and endless glass. It takes a full-time team, lots of time, and a serious budget. Think about it. Kitchens, bedrooms, home theaters, gyms, indoor pools, and even ballrooms, all needing special care. You can't just use any cleaner on a movie screen or a crystal chandelier. Every detail needs expert attention. So, while the mansion life looks glamorous, there's a practical side: schedule, staff, and big bills. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the real cost of keeping a mega mansion clean. The numbers might surprise you, and maybe make you appreciate your own home a little more. Ready to see what it really takes to keep a palace sparkling? Let's dive in. Stick around, because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty of palace polishing. Let's do it. Let's talk numbers. Cleaning a mega mansion, 15 to 25,000 square feet, can cost $10,000 to $25,000 a month. That's more than many people's yearly mortgage just for cleaning. Annually, that's $120,000 to $300,000. And for the largest estates, it can top $500,000. And that's just for the inside, no landscaping or pool maintenance included. Why so much? It's like running a business with a full team of cleaners on staff. A regular house might need a few hours to clean. A mega mansion takes a team days just to get through once. The cost grows with every extra room, special feature, and hour spent. It's a constant cycle. Cleaning never stops. So when you see a celebrity's pristine mansion, remember, it's the result of a high-priced, well-oiled operation. The upkeep is a massive, ongoing expense. The lifestyle of the rich and famous comes with a price tag that goes way beyond the purchase. It's not for the faint of heart or wallet. Why does it cost so much? First, size: more square footage means more to clean. Floors, carpets, glass, and surfaces. Then, special features: glass walls, indoor pools, home theaters, rare art, and custom finishes all need expert care. Specialists are required for delicate items. Think marble statues or priceless paintings. Daily cleaning is a must to keep everything photo-ready, so a full-time staff is standard. These aren't minimum wage jobs. Experienced staff earn professional salaries and benefits. High-end homes need top-quality, non-abrasive cleaning products, which cost more. Location matters too. Labor costs are higher in places like Beverly Hills or the Hamptons. All these factors combine for a sky-high cleaning bill. It's not just about size, it's about complexity, expertise, and constant attention. Every detail adds up fast. That's the real story behind those sparkling palaces. Beyond regular cleaning, there are always surprise expenses. Deep cleans, shampooing carpets, polishing silver, cleaning air ducts, can cost tens of thousands and happen several times a year. Accidents happen. A scratched glass table or chipped marble can mean huge repair bills. That's why insured professional teams are a must, but they cost more. Equipment breaks down too. Fixing a central vacuum or floor polisher isn't cheap. Hosting big parties, extra cleaning staff before and after means extra costs. And don't forget the exterior power washing, gutter cleaning, and patio upkeep all require specialized crews. These seasonal projects add another layer to the already high price of mansion maintenance. The list of expenses never ends. After all that, does owning a mega mansion still sound dreamy? The cleaning alone can cost over $300,000 a year, on top of everything else. It's not just a home, it's a business, with a budget, manager, and dedicated team. The purchase price is just the beginning. Upkeep is a lifelong commitment. Maybe this gives you a new appreciation for your own more manageable space. There's beauty in simplicity too. Whether you dream big or love your cozy home, it's all about creating a space you love. If you enjoyed this peek behind the scenes, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Be kind to one another.